Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you saw in thumbnail, today's video is dedicated to unlock smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I am sure my friend your phone has been locked due to forgot pin pattern and password. So don't worry at all, watch this video till the end. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. If my previous video didn't work on your phone and your smartphone could not unlock, then don't worry at all. The new method what I am going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should be charged at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your phone can be deleted. So before starting this method, you should fully battery charge of your smartphone at least 30%, or else you can charge your phone at the time of using this unlocking method. One of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method updates every month. So if your phone is not unlocked with this trick, then take help of my upcoming videos or older videos. For this you must subscribe to the channel, and if your phone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. This gives us lot of encouragement to make the next video for the further help you. First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile by fully learning this method and mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone. As you know my friend, this method is known as offline unlocking method. It means all the network like telecommunication network or Wi-Fi network of your phone should be closed. Now you can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network. So firstly I will have to close the Wi-Fi network, and if your phone is showing here Wi-Fi network or telecommunication network should be completely closed. For this simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and you will get a key of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode. So simply you will have to activate this flight mode or airplane mode, and when you will activate your flight mode or airplane mode, it means your all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network will be closed, and now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method or engineer's mode. But before go with the master unlocking method, there is one more thing you will have to do with your phone. Your all the background running application when your phone was not logged should be closed, and generally it is not possible to close all the background running application when your phone is logged. So for this there are some secret codes which generated by the service center to close all the background running application, and this secret code you will have to feed this secret code in emergency call option. Simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this, and you will get an option of an emergency call option. You can see here at the bottom there is an option of an emergency call option, and you will have to click on this emergency call option. Just a minute. And when you will click on emergency call option, you will get a dialing pad like this on your phone's display. Now the secret code what I am going to give you, you will have to feed this secret code in this dialing pad, and recent secret code to close the background running application is star hash 999 then star 00 then 88129 then hash. After feeding this secret code, you will have to call on this secret code 3 times continuously, and when you will call on this secret code, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply you will have to ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again at the second time you will have to do the same, and the third time you will have to do the same. After doing this process 3 times, it means your all the background running application are now closed and your phone is ready to go with the engineer's mode. So after this you will have to simply clear this secret code from your dialing pad. Now a USSD code what I am going to give you is used to go to the engineer's mode or master unlocking method, and this recent USSD code that is star hash 899 then hash. Now you can see here after feeding this USSD code to go to the engineer's mode, the engineer's mode has been appeared on my phone's display. You can see here. Now you will get a lots of option on this page. You can see here, but you can see here there is an option of a software version at the 5th number. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this software version, you will reach to a new page, and you will also get a lots of option on this page. As you see here, the first option is showing here your phone's model number, that is RMX2117. So you don't have to go with this option, you will have to ignore this option. At the second number you can see here the option is showing here Android version 12. It may be possible your phone will be showing here Android version 13, Android version 10 or 11. If your phone is showing here Android version 10, it means you will have to click on this option 10 times rapidly. But here my phone's Android version is showing here 12. It means I will have to click on this option 12 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now the first step of unlocking method has been done. Now simply you will have to go with the back button. And when you will go with the back button, you will reach to the new previous page, and you will also get another option above the software version. You can see here that is manual test option. Now simply you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and this page is showing here. You can see here assembly test project, and you will also get a 3 option on this page, but you don't have to go any option on this page. Now after this you will have to simply slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of other. You can see here at the end of the page the other option has been appeared on my phone's display. You will also get a 5 type of option on this page. You can see here there is an option of a database version at the 4th number. You can see here it may be possible your phone will be showing here mainboard version, but both have the same function but the different name, so don't worry about the name. Now you will have to simply click on this database version or mainboard version 11 times rapidly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now the step has been done. Now you can see here the second option. The second option is showing here read write important lock test. Now you will have to go with this option, and when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but at the first time you don't have to confirm this option. You will have to simply cancel this option, and again at the second time you will have to cancel this. At the third time you will have to cancel this, but at the fourth time when you will click on this read write important lock test, you will have to simply click on OK button. Now after doing this, your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are reconstruction mode. It means your all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are ready to go with the new lock pin pattern and password. Okay. Now after this, what I am going to give you is the very last step what you have to do. But watch this video properly, only then you will be able to unlock your phone, because every proper step is needed to unlock your phone. Okay. Now the very last step what I am going to give you, you will have to simply slide your phone left side until you reach to the device debugging page. Now you can see here there is an option of a device debugging page, and you will also get lots of options on this page. You can see here, but you can see here there is an option of a soft sensor self test and calibration option at the 6th number. You can see here. Now you will have to go with this option, sensor self test and calibration option. And when you will click on this option, you will reach to a new page. You will get a 2 type of option, 3 type of option, or 1 option on your phone's display. And all the option you can see here showing here operation not started. You can see here both the options are showing here operation not started. Now simply you will have to start this operation, and you will have to click on both option or 3 option until you get a single test pass message. Now you can see here I am going to click on this option. Now you can see test has been started. The second option test has been started. But you can see here at the first time I got a single test pass message on my phone's display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked. Now I don't have to do anything with my phone. Now I will have to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. For this, what will I have to do? Simply you can see here there is an option of a home button at the bottom of the phone. You can see here. Now I will have to simply click on this home button to check whether my phone has been unlocked or not. And one of the most important thing I would also like to tell you that this method is very genuine and really works for every type of Android phones. Okay, and your all the data will be saved to your phone. Okay. Now I am going to click on this option. Now you can see my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application and all the data which were in my phone before my phone was locked as it is as in my phone. It means this tricks really work, and your phone unlocked with this trick. It means you should like this video, and if your phone could not unlock with this video, then make a comment in my comment box. Our team will quick reply you for the further technical issues. Thank you so much. See you in the next video with the next technical issues.